Mathematics Class 8th, Chapter 3rd, Understanding Quadrilateral, Exercise 3.1. We are on a question number 5. What is a regular polygon? So here we have written the definition of a regular polygon. A polygon with equal sides and equal angles is termed as a regular polygon. It's so simple. That is, when a polygon has all sides equal and all angles equal, that particular polygon is termed as regular polygon. Now, question says, state the name of a regular polygon when it has 3 sides, 4 sides and 6 sides. We have learned in this chapter that particular names are given for different polygons having some very known common sides. So the first one is having 3 sides. So we need to name a regular polygon that is having 3 sides. Here we have represented regular polygon having 3 sides. You know very well 3 sides are of a triangle, but since it is a regular, that is, all 3 sides and all 3 angles would be equal. When we think of such triangle, a thought strikes in our mind of equilateral triangle, because equilateral triangle has all 3 sides equal and each angle within is equal to each other. Since it is a closed figure and entirely made up of line segments, it is also termed as a polygon. And this polygon is regular because all the 3 sides are equal and all the 3 angles are equal. In this case, we have constructed an equilateral triangle which is a regular polygon having sides 20 centimeter. So this side is 20 centimeter, this side is 20 centimeter and this side is also 20 centimeter. And we know very well that angle sum property of a triangle equals to 180 degrees, and since all the 3 angles are equal to each other, so when we divide 180 by 3, it comes out to be 60 degrees for each angle. So we have named first part, that is equilateral triangle having 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles. Second one, 4 sides. When we think of 4 sides, quadrilateral strikes in our mind. But it is going to be a special quadrilateral because it will have 4 equal sides. And we know very well that square is that quadrilateral which has all 4 equal sides and each angle within equals to 90 degrees. We just learned from previous questions of this exercise 3.1 that a quadrilateral has the sum of all its internal angles equal to 360 degrees. So when we divide 360 by 4, since we have 4 angles, it comes out to be 90 degrees each. So we have considered our square, that is our regular polygon, having each side equals to 15 centimeter. So each side is equal to 15 centimeter and each angle is 90 degrees. In this way, we have named 4-sided regular polygon which is square. Final part, we need to name a regular polygon having 6 sides. So we constructed a regular polygon having all its 6 sides equal to each other. In this case, we took it as 15 centimeter. That is, each side of this regular polygon is 15 centimeter in measure and each angle is equal to 120 degrees. And the particular name designated to regular polygon having 6 sides is regular hexagon. Remember, you cannot just name it as hexagon because we can have hexagon which can have different measures of angles and sides. Since we are required to find regular polygon, so we need to fix this prefix to this hexagon, that is regular. Then only we refer to a polygon which is regular in nature. That is a polygon having all sides equal to each other and each angle within equal to every other angle. With this, we have named 6-sided regular polygon which is regular hexagon. So these are some famous regular polygons whose names are universal. With this, our question number 5 is completed.